viewers. Today is a very special day, that is Republic Day. First I wish you all a very Republic Day. Today I am going to tell a speech on Republic Day. Start. Good morning everyone, respected principals, teachers and my dear friends. Today on this auspicious day of 76th Republic Day, on this day of occasion, I will say a few words about Republic Day. Today we are celebrating 76th Republic Day of our nation, and as we know, on this day we are celebrating Republic Day since 1950. It is the day to celebrate the value of our democracy and republic. Today on this day in 1950, the Constitution of India came into force. The Constitution was written by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. We should remember our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, etc. They have done a very heroic deeds. So we are living happily now and enjoying this day. The Constitution of India took around 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete it. Let us promise to be a responsible citizens and respect our Constitution and do our best to make India more prosperous and peaceful nation. Once again I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good evening everyone, my name is Gansai Reddy. Today is a very special day, that is Republic Day. First I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today I am going to tell two kavitas on Republic Day. First one. तिरंगा है कितना प्यारा, तीन रंगों का मेले सारा, सदा रहे या तिरंगा ऊंचा, आकाश को रहे या छूता, सदा करो तुम इसका अमान, कभी ना करना इसका अपमान, तिरंगा है देश का शान, बना रहे ये सदा महान. सेकेंड वन. देखो 26 जनवरी आई, साथ में खुशियाँ भी लाई, झंडा ऊंचा हम लहराएंगे, जनमनगढ़ सब गाएंगे, वीरों की कुर्बानी याद करेंगे, भारत के नारे सच्चाई के रास्ते पर चलने वाले, सपनों का भारत आज़ाद करेंगे हम बच्चे, जय हिंद का नारा लगाएंगे, गर्व से तिरंगा फहराएंगे. जय हिंद. धन्यवाद.
Today is the very special day, that is the Republic Day. Today I am conducting the Republic Day GK. 55 questions wagon-sided. Okay? Let us start the GK one by one. Each question carries 1 mark only. Yeah, first, congratulations. Happy Republic Day to my dear son.
Thank you, same to you.
Yeah, let us start by GK. All the best. Wagon sided.
Okay.
Yeah, let us start with the first question. The first national flag of India is said to have hoisted at A is the New Delhi, B is the Calcutta, C is the Gandhinagar, D is the Patna.
B1.
First Calcutta, B. Option is correct one. Next, second question. Where is the main Republic Day parade held in India? A is the New Delhi, B is the Mumbai, and C is the Calcutta, and D is the Chennai.
A1.
Our option is A. Correct one. Next question. Third question. Who designed the national flag of India? A is the Mahatma Gandhi, B is the Jawaharlal Nehru, C is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and D is the Pingali Venkaiah.
Pingali Venkaiah.
Very good. Your option is correct one. Next, fourth one. How many times has the national anthem been played during the Republic Day parade? A is the once, B is the twice, and C is the 3, and D is the 4.
Twice.
Twice. Very good. Next, fifth one. Which is the longest written constitution in the world? A is the Indian Constitution, B is the American Constitution, and C is the British Constitution, and D is the Canadian Constitution.
Indian Constitution.
Indian Constitution. Your option is A. Correct one. Next question, sixth one. What is the significance of Republic Day in India? A is the commemorates at the independence of India, and B is the commemorates the adoption of the Indian Constitution, and C is the commemorates the coronation of the first Indian king, and D is the commemorates the victory in a war.
B1.
Your option is B. Correct one only. Next question, seventh one. National song Vande Mataram, written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, is a part of which novel? A is the Durgesh Nandini, and B is the Anand Phat, and C is the Devi Chowdharani, and D is the Kapal Kundala. Anand Mat. Very good. Eighth one is, who is known as the father of modern India? Option C, A is the Gokula Krishna Gokhale, and B is the Dadabhai Naoroji, and C is the Rajaram Mohan Rai, and D is the Mahatma Gandhi.
Rajaram Mohan Rai. C1.
C1. Your option is C. Correct one only. Next question, ninth one. Our national anthem Jana Gana Mana is written by A is the Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and B is the Rabindranath Tagore, and C is the Jawaharlal Nehru, D is the Mahatma Gandhi.
B1.
Your option is B1. Correct one only. Next question, 10th one. On October 21st, 1943, Subhash Chandra Bose proclaimed the formation of provisional government of Free India in A is the Singapore, B is the Russia, and C is the Japan, and D is the Germany. Your option is
Singapore.
Singapore. A. Correct one only. Next question, 11th question. Who said Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? A is the Mahatma Gandhi, B is the Bal Gangadhar Tilak, C is the Jawaharlal Nehru, and D is the Bhagat Singh.
B1.
Your option is B1. Correct one. Bala Gangadhar Tilak. Very good. Next question, 12th one. What was age of Bhagat Singh when he was hanged? A is the 18 years, B is the 23 years, and C is the 30 years, and D is the 15 years.
23.
23 years. Very good. Your option is correct one only. Next, 13th question. What does the saffron color in the Indian flag represent? A is the peace and truth, and B is the courage and sacrifice, and C is the prosperity and growth, and D is the loyalty and power.
B1.
Your option is correct one. Next one, 14th question. What does the white color in the Indian flag represent? A is the power and peace, and B is the peace and truth, and C is the truth and sacrifice, and D is the growth and prosperity.
Peace and truth.
Very good. Your option is B1 only. Correct one only. Next, 15th question. What does the green color in the Indian flag signify? A is the prosperity and growth, and B is the peace and harmony, and C is the courage and prosperity, and D is the truth and harmony.
A1.
Green color, prosperity and growth. Very good. Your option is correct one only. Next question, 16th one. How many spokes are there in the Ashoka Chakra on the Indian flag? A is the 12, B is the 18th, and C is the 24, and D is the 36.
24.
24. Your option is correct one only. Next, 17th question. Who is the chief guest at the Republic Day Parade in India? A is the President of India, B is the Prime Minister of India, and C is the head of state or government
C1.
of foreign country, and D is the Chief Justice of India.
C.
C. Head of state or government of foreign country. Indian President to be chief guest at Republic Day 2025 celebrations. Indonesian President. And next one, 18th one. How many horses pull the President of India's carriage during the Republic Day Parade? A is the 2, and B is the 4, and C is the 6, and D is the 8.
6.
6. Your option is correct one only. Next, 19th one. India shows its military might on? A is the Republic Day and B is the Army Day and C is the Independence Day and D is the all of them.
Republic Day.
Our option is A, Republic Day. Correct one only. Next 20th question. First Indian to receive the Nobel Prize. A is the Dr. C.V. Raman and B is the H. Baba and C is the Mother Teresa and D is the Rabindranath Tagore.
D1.
Your option is D1. Rabindranath Tagore is correct one only. Next 21 question. First Indian to be selected in the Indian Civil Services. A is the Dadabhai Naoroji, B is the Subhash Chandra Bose and C is the Rabindranath Tagore and D is the Satyendranath Tagore.
D.
Your option is
D1.
D is correct one only. Next 22nd question. First Indian to win an Oscar. A is the A.R. Rahman, B is the Amir Khan and C is the Satyajit Ray and D is the Banu Athaiya.
D1.
Your option is D1. Correct one only. Next 23rd question. What is India's national slogan? A is the Satyameva Jayate and B is the Jai Hind and C is the Vande Mataram and D is the Atiti Devo Bhava.
A1.
Your option is A. Correct one only. Next 24th question. Who started the greeting of Jai Hind? A is the Jawaharlal Nehru, B is the Mahatma Gandhi, C is the Subhash Chandra Bose and D is the Bala Gangadhar Tilak.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Your option is
Subhash Chandra
Subhash
Bose.
Chandra Bose. Correct one. Next 25th question. When was the Indian national flag adopted? A is the 12th June 1947 and B is the 12th August 1947 and C is the 12th August 1947. D is the 12th July 1947. Your option is
D1.
D. Correct one only. And next 26th one. First woman president of India is A is the Sarojini Naidu, B is the Indira Gandhi, C is the Pratibha Patil, D is the Anne Besant. Your option is
C1.
C. Very good. Correct one only. Next 27th question. Who is the father of Indian Constitution? A is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B is the Rajendra Prasad and C is the Mahatma Gandhi and D is the B.R. Ambedkar. Your option is
D1.
D. B.R. Ambedkar. Very good. Correct one only. Next 28th question. Who wrote the patriotic song Sare Jahan Se Acha? A is the Rabindranath Tagore, B is the Bankim Chandra Chatterjee and C is the Mohammad Iqbal and D is the Kavi Pradeep.
Mohammad Iqbal.
Very good. Your option is C1 only. Correct one. Next 29th question. What is the duration of our national anthem? A is the 38 seconds and B is the 52 seconds and C is the 1 minute and D is the 2 minutes.
52 seconds.
52 seconds. Very good. Correct one only. Next question. Where was Azad in pause INA formed? A is the Germany, B is the Singapore, C is the Russia and D is the India.
Singapore.
Your option is Singapore. Correct one only. All are the 30 questions. All questions are correct answer only. Next remaining questions. Next remaining questions. So let's start with the remaining questions. First question. Who is the chief guest of 76th Republic Day 2025? A is the French President Emmanuel Macron and B is the Russian President Vladimir Putin and C is the Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto and D is the none of the above.
C1.
Your option is Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto. Your option is correct one only. And next second one. What is the theme of Republic Day 2025? A is the Viskit Bharat and B is the Swarnim Bharat Virat Vikas and C is the Bharat Shakti and D is the Atmanirbhar Bharat.
B1.
Your option is B1. Swarnima Bharat. Virat or Vikas. Very good. Your option is correct one only. Next C1. Third one only. Who hosts the Indian flag on Republic Day? A is the president, B is the vice president, and C is the defense minister, and D is the prime minister. Your option
President.
is? What's that?
President.
Presidents. Very good. Your option is correct one only. Next, fourth question. When was the Constitution of India adopted? A is the 26th January 1950, and B is the 26th November 1950, and C is the 26th November 1949, and D is the 26th January 1949.
C1.
Your option is C1. Correct one only. Next, fifth question. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? A is the Jawaharlal Nehru, B is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, C is the Mahatma Gandhi, D is the B.R. Ambedkar.
B.R. Ambedkar.
B.R. Ambedkar. Very good. Correct one only. Next, sixth one. Which state is known for celebrating Republic Day with the beating the retreat ceremony at Wagh border? A is the Punjab, B is the Rajasthan, C is the Haryana, D is the Gujarat.
Punjab.
Punjab. Correct one only. Next, seventh one. Who was the first ever chief guest at the Republic Day parade in India? A is the Prince Philip, Duke of Edinburgh, and B is the Indonesian President Sukarno, and C is the Queen Elizabeth II, and D is the King George VI.
Indonesian President.
President Sukarno. Very good. Correct one only. Next, eighth question. Who designed the national flag of India? A is the Jawaharlal Nehru, B is the Mahatma Gandhi, C is the Pingali Venkaiah, and D is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
Pingali Venkaiah.
Pingali Venkaiah. Very good. Your option is correct one only. Next, ninth one. How many times has the national anthem been played during the Republic Day parade? A is the once, and B is the twice, and C is the 3 times, and D is the 4 times.
Twice.
Twice. Your option is correct one only. At the beginning of the parade and at the end of the parade. Next, 10th Republic Day parade in Delhi. A is the Ministry of External Affairs, and B is the Ministry of Home Affairs, and C is the Ministry of Defense, and D is the Ministry of Finance.
Ministry of Defense.
Ministry of Defense. Very good. Your option is correct one. Next, 11th one. When was the first Republic Day celebrated? A is the 26th January 1950, and B is the 15th August 1948, and C is the 26th November 1949, D is the 30th January 1950. Your option is
A1.
A1. Correct one only. Next, 12th question. Which document was replaced by the Constitution of India on January 26, 1950? A is the Magna Carta, and B is the Government of India Act 1935, and C is the Nehru Report, and D is the India Independence Act.
B1.
B1. Correct one only. Next, 13th question. Who wrote the national anthem of India? A is the Ravindranath Tagore, B is the Surendranath Banerjee, and C is the Mahatma Gandhi, and D is the Subhash Chandra Bose. Your option is? Who wrote the national anthem of India?
Ravindranath Tagore.
Yeah, correct one only. Next, 14th one. What is the traditional venue for the Republic Day parade? A is the Indian Gate, and B is the Red Fort, and C is the Kartavya Path, and D is the President's House.
Kartavya Path.
Kartavya
C1.
Path. Very good. Your option is correct one only. Next, 15th question. The Constitution of India was drafted by A is the Constituent Assembly, and B is the Parliament of India, and C is the Indian National Congress, and D is the none of the above.
A1.
Yeah, your option is correct one only. Next, 16th one. When was the national flag of India adopted by the Constituent Assembly? A is the 12th August 1947, and B is the 26th November 1949, and C is the 22nd July 1947, and D is the 26th January 1950. Your option is
C1.
C1. Your option is correct one only. Very good. Next, 17th question. Which foreign country has participated the maximum number of times in the Republic Day parade as a guest contingent? A is the Russia, and B is the Maldives, and C is the France, and D is the Nepal.
France.
France. Very good. Your option is correct one. Next, 18th one. What is the significance of the 21 gun salute during the ceremony? A is the welcome to the chief guest, and B it represents 20 1 days of Indian independence movement, and sees that it is a military tradition to honor a head of state and is the tribute to 21 leaders of the Indian Constitution.
C1.
Your option is
C1.
C1, correct one only. Next, 19th question. What is the significance of 26th January being chosen as a day to celebrate Republic Day aside from the adoption of the Constitution? A is the Revolution of 1857 and B is the Foundation Day of Indian National Congress and C is the Declaration of Purna Swaraj and D is the day of the Champaran Satyagraha. Your option is, what's the option?
C1.
C1. Declaration of Purna Swaraj. Very good. Your option is correct one. Next 20 question. Who is the highest ranking military officer to participate in the Republic Day parade? A is the Army Chief and B is the Air Force Chief and C is the Chief of Naval Staff and D is the Chief of Defence Staff.
Chief of Defence Staff.
Very good. Your option is correct one only. Next question. What is the significance of the beating treatment ceremony? A is the lighting of India Gate and B is the end of Republic Day celebrations and C is the national anthem performance and D is the tribute to armed forces. Your option is
B1.
very good. Your option is correct one only. Next 22nd question. From which country has the concept of republic in the Indian Constitution been taken? A is the USA, B is the Russia and C is the France and D is the Japan.
France.
France. Your option is correct one only. Next 23 question. In which year was the Republic Day parade held in Rajpath for the first time? A is the 1950, B is the 1955, C is the 1967, D is the 1970. Your option is 55. Very good. Correct one only. Next 24th. How long did it take to draft the Constitution of India? A is the 2 years, 5 months and 5 days and B is the 3 years, 3 months and 17 days and C is the 2 years, 6 months and 11 days and D is the 2 years, 11 months and 17 days.
D1.
Very good. Your option is correct one only. Next 25th question. Where was the first Republic Day celebration organized? A is the Hali Stadium and B is the Eden Garden and C is the Irvin Stadium and D is the none of the above.
C1.
Irvin Stadium. Very good. All are the 25 questions. All questions are correct one only. Your score is 55 by 55. Very good. Congratulations, my dear Gagan Sairili. All our answers is correct one only. Gift distribution after later. Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Say bye.